This animation is one of the viral Nike animations, which has received over 60 million views on TikTok and over 4 million on Instagram. So, let me show you how you can also create this type of video. Who knows, it could be your video that goes viral with this trick. In this video, I will show you a full step-by-step breakdown so that you can replicate this awesome effect using a beginner-friendly tool, Canva. First, go to Canva and create new video project. Then select this YouTube format. After that, upload your image into the design. Okay, that was basic for those who are new to Canva. Now from here onward, we will start making it. To save time, I've already made this design. Now bring the shoes image into new page. I will link down the assets I have used in this video. Click on Edit Image, and you will see this option named Magic Grab. From here, we will start to separate each element like we do in Photoshop. This feature is powered by AI, so you just have to adjust the brush size, and Canva will auto-detect the subject. As you can see, it's separated. You can see this is not perfect. But don't worry, I have a trick to look at professional. Now do it for other element that you want to cut out. Our second element is also ready. Follow the step for other element as well. You will end up with something like this. To show you properly, let me show you by changing the background color. Now to make it completely white, go to Edit, then Duotone and make both the color white. I will just simply go to first page and copy the background. Right-click, then Layers, Show Layers, and bring the image at the back. Now here's the part where the actual fun begins. Once our design is ready, now we will duplicate the page. And bring the main image in our design and start layering the cutout onto its top part. And we will click on Transition and select Match and Move. Also make sure you duplicate the first page into last page. Finally, we will select individual cutout and apply separate animation to them as well.